Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Orange, yellow, pink, green, red, light green, blue,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for aeroplane.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
B,
W, X, Y,
E for basket.
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
C for cake. D for doll.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
E
I, J, K, L,
E for egg.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
F
Next time,
F for frog.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
G
and Z. Now I know my
E for girl.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
L for lion.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
M
Next time, won't you
M for monkey.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
N
H, I, J,
N for nest.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
O
Next time,
O for orange.
me.
E for peacock. Q
A, B, C, D,
Q for queen.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
R
Y, and Z.
R for rat.
Know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
S for sun.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
T
T,
for tiger.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
U
ABCs. Next
U for umbrella.
sing with me.
V for van.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
W
ABCs. Next time,
W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.
Chotu TV. Please like, share and subscribe.